Have you ever wondered how Oreo cookies are made? Let us go behind the scenes inside the world's most famous cookie factory.
It all begins with carefully selected flour, sugar, cocoa, and other ingredients delivered straight to the factory.
Every ingredient is tested, sifted, and measured for perfect texture and taste. Oreo was first created in 1912, quickly winning hearts with its iconic chocolate and cream combination.
The flour and cocoa are sifted until totally smooth, no lumps, just the perfect blend.
Adam Klumitz. Next, sugar and cocoa are poured into a giant mixer to build the Oreo cookie dough.
A precise stream of oil and salt is added, blending everything into a rich, sticky dough.
To keep the dough cool and perfect for shaping, water and dry ice lower the temperature just right.
The last touch, leavening is added, completing this rich, chocolatey dough.
An elderly African-American man named Adam chilled and rested. Dough is now ready for the shape and stamp phase.
The dough is pressed flat into perfect biscuit sheets, ready for the famous Oreo shape. High-speed cutters slice each cookie and sort them neatly for baking. Every circle is stamped with the iconic Oreo logo and elegant design. Thousands of dough rounds enter a 400-foot-long oven, ready to be baked perfectly crispy.
They bake at just the right heat, crisping up into the crunchy cookies we all love.
Fresh from the oven, cookies quickly cool down to lock in their crunch. Every cookie is checked, only the best move forward. The famous vanilla cream is created by blending sugar, oil, and natural flavors.
The other half of the cookie drops on top, creating the classic Oreo sandwich.
Adam cream is piped onto each cookie in a flawless spiral.
The assembled cookies roll through a cooling tunnel, making sure the cream firms up and each sandwich holds its shape.
Any cookies that aren't perfectly shaped are removed instantly. Only flawless Oreos make it to the next stage.
Adam cookies are double-checked for color, shape, and stamp detail, ensuring every batch meets high standards.
Bundles are carefully loaded into plastic trays, keeping each Oreo fresh and protected.
Mechanical arms gently group cookies in sets, preparing them to be packed. Trays are sealed tightly to preserve flavor and keep the cookies safe on their journey. Each box receives a printed code for quality tracking and delivery information.
Next, trays are placed into boxes covered with Oreo's iconic colors and logos.
Boxes are carefully stacked on pallets, ready for shipping out to stores. A protective wrap is spun around each pallet, keeping boxes safe in transit. Early in the morning, delivery trucks wait to be loaded with freshly packed Oreos. Adam. Outside, the factory hums with energy as each order is sent out to the world. Oreo cookies travel from the factory to stores and homes nationwide. Once delivered, Oreos are stocked on shelves, waiting for eager cookie fans.
Adam Domhelmier. At home, families enjoy the classic ritual of dunking Oreos in cold milk.
Strict cleaning routines ensure every cookie is made in a spotless environment.
Safety checks are done daily, protecting workers and guaranteeing product quality. Every Oreo is made possible by dedicated workers who keep the process running smoothly.
Engineers calibrate machines for accuracy, preventing mistakes before production starts. Special labs create new flavors and variations, always working to surprise Oreo lovers.